And we start with a big move for the biggest county in our region and the hardest hit as Sacramento gets the green light to start showing signs of life. Lots to get to again tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Elizabeth Kling. Moving deeper into Phase 2 allows businesses in Sacramento County, like retail stores, shopping malls, and restaurants, to reopen with some restrictions to try to keep people safe.
We have live team coverage tonight. Let's start with CBS 13's Steve Large, who hit the town to see when and if, Steve, restaurants are ready to open.
Yeah, live at Mayowell in downtown Sacramento on the K Street corridor. What a relief. Restaurants will be open, but it will look really different. Social distancing still applies. Masks on servers and cooks. And if you're going to be entering a restaurant and sitting at a table in a group, that group has to be made up of people that already live in your household. Still, you will be able to dine inside.
So we just got word that we can open.
Ernesto Delgado has a burning appetite to reopen his Sacramento restaurant. It's finally being satisfied.
It's exciting, it's nerve-wracking, it's all of it.
Delgado was forced to lay off nearly all of his 50 employees during the shutdown. He applied for the federal payroll protection program and received the money. He needs his restaurant to reopen to use it.
And you have to use 75% for payroll and 25% for rent and utilities. But I have 50 employees, and if I can't open, how can I use those funds to give to the employees?
Some employees have chosen to stay away, either for health concerns or to maintain their unemployment benefits.
Their job will be here when they're ready.
At Crew in East Sacramento, owners have decided not to reopen yet. With a curbside business booming, they'll take a slower approach to opening their doors to customers. June 1st is their target date.
While, returning to business sounds great, we want to be as cautious and as responsible as possible.
Well, first of all, social distancing is still very important.
Sacramento County Public Health Officer Dr. Peter Bielenson warns dine-in will be different at first. He's trusting restaurants and customers to follow the new rules.
Tables will be able to be nuclear families only, those families that have been staying at home in place.
It's the return of restaurants in Sacramento. Bring your empty stomachs and open wallets. Those that have survived are ready to show their resilience.
Bringing our community back in the safe way.
The Sacramento County Public Health Officer says that these new restaurant guidelines will be in place noon on Friday. That's just in time for the long Memorial Day weekend.